What's up, everyone? This is your boy Sipiwe Yolambata Bafethu. It's Figi this card. We are about to go to Mexico. We have checked in our bags. Manje sesiyaboda Bafethu. Hey Bafethu bangena Mexico. We're going to watch Bafana Bafana. Thank you so much to the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture and also Minister Gaten Mackenzie. Thank you so much, Bafethu. I'm a fan to TV. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Come on this journey. Bafethu, it's a 12-hour flight from Johannesburg. We are going to Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, we are connecting. We are going to Mexico City. Then Mexico City, we are going to Monterrey. We have to take 3 flights. So it's going to be a long journey. Bafethu, come with us. And I'm with the team. Team and Dollar, Sbuda, Mapera. Hey, Baba. Police, a camera.
Sabangena.
Team and Dollar.
Hola Bafethu. Thank you. Sabangena. Mfethu Mexico. Mexico.
Olobona Bafana.
Let's go support. Yebo. Let's go support. Thank you to the Department of Sports, Bafethu. How are we?
Thank you. Arifying. And
Bafethu ke sile mathata go sotra ya Netherlands wa nthola ke le chase ka re fita itshwane wa nthola still same vibes, still same waves wa nthola mara now is Reebok on the feet wa boy headband nyana odimo ke fresh to death ke batla go señorita
mara tame lo tshinde batho ya mullo batho ba laga batho ya mullo. Let's go.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah.
12-hour flight, Bafethu. Aye, sazodonsa Bafethu. 12-hour flight going to Netherlands. Yeah, Amsterdam. And then from there, Mexico City, Bafethu. Come with us. And also please comment. Tell us what kind of content you'd like to see from us. Tell us which kind of content you want to see when we are that side, Bafethu. Danko. We are about to leave. Utibos is sitting somewhere that side. No talent. No Sbuda. So Bafethu, yeah, we're about to leave. Come with us. I'm a fan to the TV. Guys, we're excited. We can't wait to see the match. Also to do fans that side, to do content that side. Guys, let us know what kind of content would you like to see from Amafans to the TV. Tell us what kind of content do you want to see from us that side. Yeah, and Bafethu, don't forget to subscribe. We want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu, please subscribe. Don't just watch. Please subscribe. Come with us, Bafethu. Mexico. Here we come. Agazi finyibize kahle. Siyazi we Mexico mara manje sesiyangara we are changing ilingo manje. It was a good flight. But I ferry 12 hours, and then we still have another 12 hours to Mexico. Come with us, Bafethu. I'm afraid of the TV. We've arrived. Touchdown, Amsterdam. Let me show you the flight. We were in KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Bafethu sfikile. This is Netherlands. Hey, how was your flight?
Nah, it was amazing. Bit tiring.
But it's long, ne?
Yeah, long flight. But yeah, no, Sfigile.
And we still have another 11 hours.
Long 11 hours, but yeah, no, Sfigile, Bafethu.
Yeah. And it's hot.
It's hot, eh?
Come for the jazz.
Yeah, Mfethu abana gidi jazz.
For the pura.
That's amazing.
Tango Chako. Yeah, babo, yasala, that's why. Ufuna ukusala la Netherlands. Yeah, gentlemen. Yeah, we have landed.
We have landed.
How was the flight?
The flight was, the flight was long. I don't want to lie.
11 hours.
No, Papa. And I'm telling you, I had to take off my shoes. Feet were sore. But we had a good meal on the flight, and I think it was proper, and I appreciate the fact that we...
And we have another 11 hours.
We have another, so we have 3 hours waiting period now, and this just to relax, kick off the shoes, and then another 11 hours. But we're excited to be here. We're excited to be in another country, and
let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. Mon flight de limna.
Get drama, what's it?
Marono na tfakile di Crocs. So wana take it out.
Yeah. Very intentional. Wancho nzwiki chong ye. Cause li iso kya utlwa bona.
Mara is bad. You just had the McDonald's.
Yeah, just
at Netherlands.
At Netherlands, yeah.
How is it? Is it the same as Sakotos?
Yeah, it's the same. Marina Leonyana, fresh nyana bayona.
But price.
The price is a bit pricey, but yeah. Kiu runda. That was sharp. But I
think South Africa.
In Netherlands.
But guys, it's Yafana, Big Mac. Yafana. Usibos na ubize phone. Guys, Usibos sabi camera. Sabi camera, guys. When he's not on camera, we are sabi camera. Guys, this is the first part of the vlog. Yeah, we are now in Netherlands. We're just having lunch. Then from here, Bafethu, we are taking off. Another 11-hour flight, Bafethu, to Mexico City. As you boy, Bafethu. But otherwise, guys, Netherlands airport is very nice. Just to show you, just otherwise, it's a nice airport. Bafethu, I just feel about Chita. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos from us here on Amafenzo TV. Just feel Mexico City, here we come. Amafenzo TV. I am a again. Danko.